Welcome to WBCS School on your device. Today we will discuss 100 important questions that not only important in WBCS exam but also in various competitive exam. So without wasting time, let's begin. Let us begin now. Name to Gandhi by British which he denied. Kaiser Hind. State with maximum boundaries with other states. Uttar Pradesh. Which country max time on FIFA World Cup? The country is Brazil. Zika virus spread by which type of mosquitoes? Aedes mosquitoes. India's border is longest with which nation? Bangladesh. The answer is Bangladesh. When was Indian National Congress formed? December 28, 1885. Who invented WWW? Tim Berners-Lee. First Nobel Prize for Medicine was given for which disease? Diphtheria. PV Sindhu related to which game, which sports? Badminton player. Yellow color of papaya is due to the presence of carotene. Which is the highest peak in South India? Anaimudi. Glass is made of the mixture of which things? Sand and silicates. Which kinds of lenses are used to treat astigmatism? Cylindrical. What is the largest ecosystem of the Earth? Hydrosphere. Which is a major constituent of biogas? Methane. Cooking gas is a mixture of which gases? Propane and butane. The next question is, what is a mixture of potassium nitrate powder, charcoal and sulfur called? The answer is gunpowder. What is the permissible level of noise in a silent zone at daytime? 75 decibel. Which gas is absorbed during photosynthesis? The answer is carbon dioxide. Which is used as a fuel in nuclear power stations in India? Thorium. Which glass is used in bullet-proof screens? Reinforced glass. Which bacteria helps in improving the soil fertility? Rhizobium. By which force can fat be separated from milk in a cream separator? Centrifugal force. If we move from the equator to a pole, what will be the value of G? The value of G will increase. Which law of thermodynamics introduces the concept of entropy? Second law. What is the principle by which a cooling system radiator in a motor can works? Convection. What does nail polish remover contain? Acetone. Which tissue in man where no cell division occurs after birth? Nerves. Validity time of check is only for 3 months. Recently, the Delhi police launched an app for women in distress. The name of the app is Himmat. First Test century in Test cricket match. What is his name? Brendan McCullum. The first animal domesticated by Neolithic people. The answer is dog. Who was the first female Muslim Prime Minister in the world? The answer is Benazir Bhutto. Who has been honored twice with the 1903 Nobel Prize in Physics and Marie Curie? Who has been honored twice with the 1903 Nobel Prize in Physics and in the 1911 Nobel Prize for who has been honored twice with the 1903 Nobel Prize in Physics and 1911 in chemistry? The answer is Marie Curie. Sorry for wrong interruption. World's first cashless country. First cashless country, Sweden. Gautam Buddha gave his first sermon. Sharnath. First modern Summer Olympics were held in 1896. Science that deals with disease, particularly of men, andrology. Real founder of Gupta dynasty. Chandragupta I. Who among the following was a co-founder of Swaraj Party? Motilal Nehru. Indian hockey team won in the Olympic in which year? 1928. Indian hockey team won in the Olympic in which year? 1928. Thomas Cup related to badminton. Which sport? That is badminton. Smallest planet in the universe? Mercury. What is the solar system? The small planet is Mercury. Leprosy is also called which in the name of which disease? First man to go to space, that is Yuri Gagarin, and leprosy is also called Hansen's disease. Lego Amazon is related to black holes. What is the national game of USA? Baseball. Plassey War took place on which river? Bhagirathi River. First US president to attend Republic Day parade in India? Bill Clinton. Headquarters of UNO, New York. Tennis is played on which surface? Hard, grass and clay courts. White desert in India is recognized as Ran of Kutch. Ran of Kutch desert is recognized as white Desert. Which monument is built to commemorate the eradication of plague? Charminar. Oldest oil reserves in India. The answer is Digboy. Chlorine acts as bleaching agent only in the presence of which thing? Moisture. Who removes the member of the State PSC, Public Service Commission? President. During the fermentation of sugar, which enzyme which converts during the fermentation of sugar, which enzyme which converts to glucose during the fermentation of sugar, which enzyme which converts to glucose into ethyl during the fermentation of sugar, which enzyme which converts into relation to ethyl is gymase, ethyl alcohol, gymase. The first state to introduce the law on RTI was Gujarat. Which human organism most susceptible to harmful radiations? Lungs. Part 6 of our constitution is applicable all states except which? Jammu and Kashmir. Who presented the first union budget of independent India? R.K. Sambhakam Chetty. What is MRI? Magnetic resonance imaging. Which insect spreads collagen? Sandfly. Which industry produces the most non-biodegradable waste? Thermal power plants. Which is the plant hormone that introduces cell division? Induces auxins. In vulcanization, with which the natural rubber is heated? Sulfur. Which unicellular algae are used as source of oxygen in space research? Chlorella. Which gland is responsible for the secretion of insulin? Pancreas. Which are the most common used chemicals in the artificial rain making or cloud seeding? Silver iodide. Azure. Of the floating iceberg in the sea, how much is the portion remaining above the sea level? 1/10. Which salt is found in bone in largest amount? Calcium phosphate. What is responsible for blue body syndrome? Nitrate. Which river flows through a Rift Valley? Narmada. BCG vaccination, Bacillus calmette-guerin, is injected to get immunity from which disease? Tuberculosis. Which chemical is used for preserving fruit juices? Sodium benzoate. Which is the sweetest natural sugar? Fructose. First bank in India. The name of the first bank in India was Bank of Hindustan. Full form of IFSC. Indian Financial System Code. Author of Wings of Fire, Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam. Which compound in LPG gives its smell on leakage? Ethyl mercaptan. National flag of India was designed by Pingali Venkaya. And the last question is Valley of Flowers. Valley of Flowers in which state? The answer is Uttarakhand. Okay, to continue learning through this app, please subscribe our channel and like, comment, share among your friends. Thank you.